Hi friends, it's fucking 1:30 or 1 in the morning. I'm gonna go pick up some puppies. So yeah, I was gonna be picking them up at 11:30, and then I got an email earlier today saying, just kidding, there was a delay. A 2-hour delay. So I'm on my way to go pick up the 2 baby puppies. They're 2 female boxer mastiff mixes. Okay, you guys, I'm getting way too excited right now because I'm almost to the puppies. Oh my God. Okay, something super cool though. So, God, that was annoying as shit. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm just so excited because there's about to be so many puppies in this place. There's poodles, there's Shar-Pei Beagle mixes, there's puggles, there's Pomskis, there's, oh my God, there's so many things and I'm so excited. Okay. I don't know what time it is though. But they're in there. Oh my God. Okay, I got 2 puppies. There's so many puppies. There's so much going on. Oh my God. They're really big. Like, I didn't expect them to be this big. So all the puppies there were 12 weeks and under. Some of them were literally like this big. So franking cute. Oh my God. But, so I've got 2 of them. The boxer mastiff mixes. I saw one of their brothers. They were super cute. They're just so big. Oh my gosh, I just did not expect them to be this big. They're each like 20 pounds. Like, they're bigger than Bella. And I guess, I don't know how big I expected them to be, but they're like pushing it on like size-wise, like height as Frankie. Or maybe I'm just like way overshooting it in my head. I also realized once I got there that the bike was still in the back from when we took Pace to the park today to learn how to ride her bike. And of course I remembered as I'm getting out of the car going, oh crap, I have 2 puppies that I was gonna put in a big kennel and put them in the back, and now I can't do that, so I had to like push all the crap that's in my back seat. And like, yeah, I need to fucking clean my car, I get it, I know I do, but I didn't have the time to do that when I'm standing in the parking lot, so I just pushed it all over. One of them is very scared. The other one, her little tail was wagging and she just is so floppy and her feet are so big and she looks like when she's gonna run, she's probably gonna trip over herself, and that triggers so much happy tears. I can't. I'm gonna get pulled over for speeding and I'm gonna be like, I'm so sorry, but there are puppies. And I want to cuddle them and I can hear them and I can smell them and they're right there. Oh my God. I know right now the situation isn't great. You're stuck in a pretty small kennel. I know. It's not great. It's not great. You've been in a car and now you're in another car and you're squished in there with your sister. Yeah, I know it's not ideal, but guess what? I've got 2 different types of kennels set up. One is really big and you guys can both lay in there together. And I've got 3 friends, doggy friends, and 2 kitty friends, and I've got a little 5-year-old who is gonna smother you with love in a fenced-in backyard for you to just jaunt around, you know, frolic, if you will, you know, whatever your little heart desires, you can just do it. But please don't chew on the table because I just bought it and I kind of like it, but I feel like you're gonna chew on it, and I know, and I know. That is a really good point. And I'm realizing, yes, yep, And I have a feeling that you're going to tell me that a lot tonight. Really loudly. For like the whole night. I love sleep. I want to love you. I just want to hug them. Oh my God. You guys, you're so cute. You guys aren't even ready. I know I've said that, but like you're not. We're here. We're here. Don't worry. We're here. Oh my God. They're really sad. Okay. Okay. I need to get this stuff in. And these. Oh my God. Okay. How do I even want to do this? You're coming with me. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. It's okay. I wish you could just cough that out. That sounds so uncomfortable. Poor baby. You have both toys, that's not fair. Baby, she's doing much better today. She's so happy. Look at you, little bunchkin. Here, look. You take this one. Yeah, you take this one. Yeah. That can be for the baby. You don't get to have both. No, you can't have both. You can only has one. Which one do you want? Not both. Both isn't an option. Here, go. You get it, baby. Crazies. They're so cute. I can't. Yeah. Hi. 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 What are you doing? Little peanut face? Little peanut face, baby. What are you doing, crazy man? He's a crazy boy. He's a crazy boy. And the baby girl.
darn collars. Don't bump into her like that. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.